Abracadabra. Are you scared? This is a Halloween video. Just a little bit late for Halloween. Don't be scared. I'm gonna take my skin out now. This is a facial mask for ladies who love to scare everybody. Hello dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. As you can see, I'm doing a meditation slash relaxation slash self-care slash facial mask time. And by the way, that mask is from sour cream, ground carrot, and some oat flakes.
Seem a little crazy, pretty baby, but I promise mama's gonna be alright. And if you ask me to, daddy's gonna buy you a mockingbird. I'ma give you the world, I'ma buy a diamond ring for you, I'ma sing for you, I'll do anything for you to see you smile. And if the mockingbird don't sing and that ring don't shine, I'ma break that birdie's neck. I go back to the jeweler who sold it to you, and they can meet every carrot, don't do it dead.
By the way, I'm keeping everything in order. Like this Buddha, I have my incense here for the relaxation with the Buddha. I recently got it from the Dollar Tree. You can never tell it, huh? And again, it was the last one. Everything I buy is the last one. Very relaxing to look at this Buddha and the incense. You can see how the smoke is going up. And you relax. Then I have my mirror in front of me, the magnifying glass and lights, as you can see here, in case I find some imperfections. I have my white napkins that I'm going to clean my face with. Also, I have some grocery store bags, so nothing drops on my clothing, or me not to drop anything from my face to the floor, so I don't have to clean it later. I was about to turn on my favorite relaxation music and close my eyes. You may also use some cut cucumbers, like sliced cucumbers or sliced potato pieces. So let's go, let's relax.